You asked how to buy shares of Zeta Global Holdings Corp, a cloud-based marketing technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker Zeta. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box, type the ticker Zeta, and select the matching Zeta Global Holdings Corp listing. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart, and confirm the NASDAQ listing and the Zeta ticker. To place a buy order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio. Find the example link to eToro in the description to follow this demonstration.